Good morning to all of you once again. So, in our previous class, we have covered the topic body tag. We were going through the topic basic HTML tags and we covered till body tag. Now, today we will see the attributes of body tag. What are the different attributes used with body tag? So, here is in attributes of body tag, first one is bg color, then background, text, left margin, top margin, link, a link, v link. So we have to be very careful about these three, link, a link and v link. Most of the students confused with these three attributes which we use with body tag. Now start with the first one, bg color. bg color is for giving the background color to your document. If we want to give some background color to our document, we want to change the page color, document color, then we use bg color attribute with the main tag, body tag. So how we will write the code? We will write body space bg color is equal to red, green, whatever you want. Next is background. Background is used to again assign background to the document, but here with background we can assign only images, not colors, only we assign images. So difference between bg color and background is that through bg color we can define, we can change the background color of the page, web page, and through background we can assign some images to our background, right? So text will come on top of the image, the text will appear. Third one is text. This text is not for font of the text, but this is for text color. So we will not write text color or font color to give color to the text which will appear to the document. Instead we write only text. So body text is equal to green, body text is equal to maroon, whatever. Then is left margin. It is for giving margin to the document. And which margin? Left margin to give. Top is for giving margin from top side. What happened with left margin? When you will use left margin, then it will take right margin automatically. We give the value of left margin and top margin in pixel. So left margin is equal to 100. That means if we will write left margin is equal to 100, here it is written, see here. Left margin is equal to 150, here it is written. This 150 is value in pixel. So from left side it will give the space of 150 pixel. Top side it will give the space of 200 pixel. Likewise we can define it. Now whenever you will write left margin to right margin, whenever you will write left margin which is 150, then right margin it will automatically set. Some browser set the right margin automatically. And top margin you have given 200, then bottom margin it will automatically takes 200. But some browsers do not support this. Then we need to specify. If it happens, then we need to specify right margin separately also and bottom margin separately also. Now after top margin is link, a link and v link, these three. Link means color of the link. Whenever we provide link in our document, what is link? So the blue text, group of text which remain in blue color, and when you will put your cursor on that blue text, then your cursor will appear as pan image, and when you will click on that text, it takes you to some other location, to some other page or some section of your page. That is link, which is also known as hyperlink. So here link, here this link is the color of the link. by default the color of the link is blue. By default it asked in your examination also, board exam or internal exam also, it is asked that what is the default color of hyperlink. So default color of hyperlink is blue. So if you want to change the default color of hyperlink from blue to some other color, yellow or red, so here we can specify link is equal to red, link is equal to yellow. So value, what will give the value will give the color name or color code. A link is active link. Full form of a link is active link. It is also asked what is the full form of a link. A link is active link, and V link is visited link. So a link means active link color. So whenever you will click on the hyperlink text, then what the color will become. So whenever you click, that time it changes the color. So whatever you will provide, give here, a link is equal to whatever color you will give, that color will come when you will click. Hit time, it will become of that color. V link is visited link. That means after visiting once, when you visit the link once, then it show you in some other color. That is visited link color. So here visited link color is purple by default. Link color is blue and visited link color is purple by default. So you can change this color also, visited link color also. It is also supported by some browser, and some browser does not support it. Some browsers does not support it. So it depends on which browser we are using. So these are attributes of body tag. Now see the syntax of how we can write. So here the syntax given where all the attributes are used together. So here it is body, the main tag is, then after body give one space, basic color is equal to red, text is equal to white. So background color will appear as red, text color will appear as white, means white on red canvas. Background is equal to d:\img/tajmahal.jpg (end). So here very important thing to know, when you are using background, so when we are using background attribute of body tag, then this attribute takes as a value only image file format. Whenever we will use background, so we need to specify the path of the image, where we are taking the image from. So to specify the path, we put backward slash. As we are working locally, we are giving path local, we are giving local path. So d:\img, this is the path which I have given, and you give the path carefully. Just go and see where your image is inside your computer, in your computer hard disk drive, which drive it is, and then give the path likewise only. Then again space, one space, left margin 150, right margin 150 here, top margin 200, link is equal to yellow, default is blue, now here it is given yellow, that means it will show you link yellow color. With yellow color it will show you the link. A link is red and V link is green. Then angle bracket close. Here you just put the contents and then end with body tag. This is what the syntax of body tag is. Body tag is the syntax of body tag. That much for today. Thank you.